In just a moment, all will be explained as we hand things over now to the United States Air Force Thunderbirds.
Do I see it?
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to Show 7 as we welcome those before you into our United States Air Force. And now, our commander and leader, Thunderbird 1, Lieutenant Colonel Kevin Walsh. You got it, boss.
Good afternoon, Sacramento! On behalf of the Thunderbirds, we could not be happier to be here on the 100th anniversary of Baker Field. For 100 years, this field has contributed to both military and civilian aviation, so I can't think of a better location for the United States Air Force Thunderbirds to be performing this weekend. Thank you for welcoming us here. Now, I'd like to direct your attention to the enlistees behind me because they represent an extremely special group. They realize that to succeed in today's world, it takes innovation. It takes adaptability and a desire to continuously learn. These are the folks that you want in your armed forces. To the enlistees, I'd like to say welcome. Welcome to the profession of arms. A profession not founded upon instant gratification, selfishness, or mediocrity. A profession founded upon words like integrity, excellence, and service. It is truly my honor to be the first one to welcome you into the military family. Ladies and gentlemen, if you please rise as I administer the oath of enlistment. I do solemnly swear to support and defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the orders of the President of the United States and the orders of the officers appointed over me, according to regulations and the Uniform Code of Military Justice. So help me